And we go here.
Whoa.
I need her hand.
Okay.
That's the only way to
There you
twist.
go.
The only way to twist them up. Stop making glasses. That's the way you clean up.
Tristan, that's awesome, dude. What do you call those things?
Roller skates.
Roller skates? Can you do any good moves with them?
That's the only thing I can do.
How about some tricks? You know any tricks? Buddy, those are awesome. You did a great job inventing.
What about my invention that I made myself?
Let's see. What do you call it?
This latest invention I made.
Show me what it does. Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's
Nice job.
playful.
Pretty inventive boys right here.